welcome to the property. It is up here. That's the Firebird. Let's take a look inside, shall we? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, Hansen racing, if you will, are moving into the new garage or whatever. So I'm going right now to pick up the Firebird, and then we're gonna bring some stuff up there and also bring the Firebird up there. So guys, we moved into the new shop successfully. There's a lot of dust in here. So yeah, we need a good cleanup and a lot of shelves and stuff, and then we should be good. There's a lot of echo in here. So welcome to the place. It looks pretty damn cool. Some nice daylighting in here too. I mean, I don't even have the lights on right now. But this is a giant room, and the garage port or whatever is right here. And basically you drive a car in here, and there's a room for a car over here. And then your boy spot gonna be in this side of the building right here. So a pretty good like amount of space for cars. This is the spot where I'm gonna move in with Oscar, so it's gonna be awesome. Just gonna put a lot of things in there. That's all my stuff right there. That's all his stuff. We gotta get it up on shelves and stuff like that. There's no heat here. There is insulation, so winter gonna be kind of tough. I don't know yet. Gonna have to find some kind of heater probably. There's water, which is that hose over there. There's no bathroom. There's no toilet. There's no sink. There's no nothing. So if you gotta go pee, you go over there to the pig farm, whatever, on the other side. And if you gotta make a dump, then I don't know, you're fucked. You gotta go into town to the local gas station or something, which is like a mile away, so I don't know. Look at her, she looks so good. The only thing I want to do when I look at it right here is lower it a little bit in the rear. As you can see, there's still a little gap, maybe like an inch. Spacers up front, roll the fenders, and probably a spacer out back too, and roll the fenders, so we get that meaty Trans Am look. And that day when we have enough powers to also burn 10-inch wide wheels, we're going to put that on instead of spacers. And I'm probably also going to get that panel out there put on soon and paint it. And I'm also going to paint the radiator because I really hate that it looks like an intercooler. So that's a few things we've got to do.